my Uncle John. We're going to, where are we going to?
The Hollywood sign in Griffith Observatory.
And then we're going to
Hang loose, y'all. In California, Cali. Going back to Cali. Cali. Going back to Observatory, can't pronounce it.
The wrecking ball.
Princess Leia.
Oh my gosh.
Has a whole view of the Hollywood Hills. Going to the scope! To the scope!
the scope! To 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 the scope!
Big houses. Woo! Echo!
Echo! Use paw in a sentence 3 times. Be careful! You might fall in the swimming pool.
Celebrities get their hot dogs.
There's a hobo right
I
there.
don't want a hobo in my life. What the
See, that guy's talking to him. I think he's witnessing.
Curly fries.
Water.
Wait. He just stopped out of the traffic and just gave it to him.
It's green light!
It's green light!
No,
oh my God, it's green light!
It's green light! We're eating here. It's good because In-N-OUT was too busy in Hollywood. Uncle John likes it.
That was some good burger. Really, really tender. Real beef. Only in America.
Hi guys. We're kind of left over there. Yeah, we're gonna meet them and go on the pier. And Uncle John is just trying to find a parking lot because we got kicked out in hours because apparently it's just valet. Like, why is it so hard?
Unfortunately, but we're gonna go to eat out again, and you can't even see me because I'm like a shadow in the moment, but it's super fun day. I got smacked in the face. I'm like, surprisingly that my falsies are still in my face and my eyebrows, like I have some left. I didn't videotape it because if my phone gets splashed, it's salt water and it has no chance of surviving. But yay guys, I love California, it's so much fun. I'll see you guys later, okay? In-N-OUT. Ooh la la. Take a bite. I'm gonna try it. Look at this deliciousness. It looks so good. In-N-OUT, buddy. It's so good. I even got the little hat. Look at that. That's a wrap, guys. That is a wrap. It has been a fun Monday. I'm gonna go home, open the car, and I'm too hyper. I'm just gonna watch a movie Courageous because everyone's just coughing and getting sick. And tomorrow will be fun. Good day drive, guys. See ya! Out and proud. See you tomorrow. Like, subscribe on my Instagram.